So can you add your zip code on your RetailMeNot app? We could to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you just click on account, it's going to take you to your settings here. Then you click on profile, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go above edit profile, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. You come here to zip code here. Click on add. So when you just click on it, in here add new zip code here, you click on save changes, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.